What I'm doing right now, just get outside, just enjoy nature. It's gonna get cold again here pretty quick, and yeah, today's a beautiful day, so I bundled up and headed out, and it's so gorgeous. I'm so glad I got out. Just stopping to listen to the babbling of the brook. It's so nice. It's really sinking into feeling it, to feeling how nice it feels out here. Even when the wind gets a little cold, just noticing that I'm feeling it, just starting to feel the world instead of hiding from it.